In this video, we will compare Trello versus Noteplan. Trello is a virtual and visual driven project management tool that organizes tasks and projects using a dashboard, lists and cards. It's a very popular choice for individuals and teams who prefer a style layout to manage their workflow. Trello's simple drag and drop interface allows users to easily create boards for different projects and break them down into simple lists for each individual task. These cards can be customized with due date, checklists, attachments and labels, making it very easy to track progress and collaborate with many others. One of Trello's key strengths is its collaborative features. Users can share boards, assign tasks to different team members, add comments or attach cards, facilitating communication and team coordination. Trello's simplicity and flexibility makes it ideal for those managing both personal tasks and larger team projects. However, it lacks deep integration with note-taking, means it's not as suitable for users looking to combine notes with task management in one single tool. Noteplan is a versatile productivity tool that combines note-taking with task management, calendar integration and daily planning. It operates on a system inspired by the bullet journal method, allowing users to manage tasks, project tasks and even schedule events in a streamlined and organised way. One of Noteplan's key strengths is its flexibility. Users can structure their notes in daily or weekly or monthly views and directly link them to specific tasks on their calendar. It's built for individuals who appreciate having a cohesive workflow that merges tasks and notes all in one place. The app also includes Markdown support, enabling rich text formatting, and it's a very powerful search functionality, allowing for quick reveal of your notes. The overall experience is centered around organizational and productivity, making it ideal for those who want to be efficient. In summary, Trello is best suited for users and teams who want visual, collaborative project management tools that can track progress in an intuitive, card-based format. On the other hand, Noteplan is better for individuals seeking an integrated productivity-focused tool that combines note-taking with task management and calendar scheduling, all in one platform. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.